Hi guys, today in the part 2 I'm gonna create next building from the cityscape related to the France. Here I am trying to add a first and second layer of the material bit by bit so that the previous material is to be dried and the next one is installed on the upper surface of it as it gets dried bit by bit, layer by layer. You can see this. As it gets complete, so I'm gonna make a sort of detail on it regarding its windows, regarding its doors, regarding its borders of this building, regarding the bricks, to create a sort of detail to show a sort of realistic impact on the surface of this architectural 3D model. Slowly, bit by bit you can do, but at least you must take care when it's somewhat wet, not completely dried. You can see this. Its windows are so clear, showing the towering building of the Empire State, or sorry to say Eiffel Tower. And now I'm gonna hammer, scratch the surface of the roads with the help of hammer so that the rough surface area can catch the material easily, stuck it up firmly so that it may not go down, fall down the sculpture. Bit by bit, slowly you can introduce all this stuff on it, the mixture, and after that you can carve some tiles, some stones of the part or of the pavement of the roads inside. You can see with the help of this tool that I have created it myself on machine. It was actually the screw and I made it with the just like a pointed tip to carve the edges. As you get it complete, so at the end you must make the fine finishing with the help of brush and water so that it may get the smoothness on the surface of this working area. If you don't do, I hope so in the next day you may gonna get some scratches, some scars, some rough small particles. Here you can see a sort of view, and the last building is remaining that I am gonna create tomorrow. Here you can see it's a great cityscape of the lamppost, street, trees, building, and Eiffel Tower. Here is a little bit dim light. You can detect the more 3D sort of artwork. I hope so you enjoyed my video. See you tomorrow with new video, last part. Thank you.